The strategic value of space assets is surging, with intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance (IRS) satellites becoming increasingly vital in influencing ground-based military developments. These satellites orbit at altitudes of approximately 500 kilometers, offering crucial insights into military activities such as troop movements and missile launches. This intelligence proves invaluable during conflicts, enabling precise targeting of enemy resources. The ongoing Russia-Ukraine war highlights the essential role of reconnaissance satellites. These space-based tools have been pivotal in monitoring enemy positions and assessing the extent of damage inflicted during confrontations. Their effectiveness underscores the growing dependence on satellite technology for modern warfare. Similar advancements are evident in the context of India-China relations. Recent satellite imagery has revealed significant developments along the India-China border. In late May 2024, images disclosed China's deployment of J-20 stealth fighters near the Indian border in Tibet. Additionally, early July saw the emergence of satellite images showing China constructing underground bunkers to secure weapons and other military assets along the Pangong Tso Lake, situated near the line of actual control, LAC, in Ladakh. By the end of July, further satellite imagery unveiled the completion of a strategic bridge across Pangong Lake. This infrastructure significantly reduces the time China requires to mobilize troops and equipment, raising concerns in India. The coverage of these developments by the Indian media has amplified the perception of a direct threat from China. While these satellite images were released by US-based private firms, they underscore the capability of spy satellites to gather critical information and the growing role in defense planning. However, there remains a notable disparity between India and China regarding the number of surveillance satellites in space.